When you're trying to go as fast and light as possible, obviously weight is a huge factor. But days like that also demand that you stay fully hydrated so that you can consistently be performing at your best. Those two things really conflict because water adds a ton of weight. We designed the TrailShot Microfilter to help you save weight. Essentially, it gives you a full day's water supply at a mere 5 ounces and fits in your pocket. When I trail run, I like to carry 2 small water bottles. When those are empty, I can use the TrailShot filter to drink directly and instantly from a stream along the trail. Then I can quickly fill up my bottles with clean water and get going again. Or if I'm wearing a hydration pack, I can connect it straight to my hose and fill up my reservoir. The TrailShot filter is so tiny, it fits in a stash pocket alongside my bars. And it's quick to deploy. You just drop the pre-filter in the water and start filtering. It treats a liter of water in 60 seconds. The TrailShot filter uses hollow fiber technology that meets the highest standards for removing protozoa, like Giardia and Cryptosporidium, and bacteria, like E. coli and Salmonella, so you have reliable water all along your journey. The filter cartridge has a 2,000-liter lifespan, depending on water conditions, which for me is seasons of water. At MSR, our goal is to design products for simplicity and functionality, giving you everything you need and nothing you don't.
The highest quality water bottles are made from glass. However, very few of them provide a complete solution. Most of them still rely on plastic and metal components. We designed the Meshbottle to be a safe, stylish, and simple to use alternative to plastic and metallic water bottles. All components of the Meshbottle are made from either high quality glass or food safe silicone. The result is a water bottle that is plastic-free, non-metallic, and has a 99.9% glass interior. Our signature mesh sleeve is more than just a design statement. It was developed with a 360-degree full-body interlocking pattern for increased elasticity. Our unique cap design disassembles quickly and turns inside out, making it easy to clean hard-to-reach areas. Mesh bottles are easy to carry using the loop handle, which snaps back into its horizontal position when not needed. It stays out of the way when you're drinking from the bottle and provides a secure grip when you are holding it. The bottles fit most standard cup holders and can easily hide in a small purse or backpack. We built the Meshbottle because we felt that what we wanted was not available on the market. A truly plastic-free water bottle that relies almost exclusively on glass for beverage storage. We strongly believe that it will find traction as people are becoming more and more health conscious and seek environmentally friendly products. Thank you for your interest in the Meshbottle. To get this far, we have invested 3 years of design time and a substantial portion of our savings. After dozens of prototypes, we feel confident that our bottles are ready to go into production. If you would like to be part of our story and be among the very first people to own a Meshbottle, please support our Kickstarter campaign. Thank you.
I've always been a gypsy. I've always loved the idea of traveling light. When I first experienced the teardrop trailer, I didn't really know what to expect, and I didn't think that I'd fall in love. By all means, I never expected it to be so comfortable. I feel like I'm cheating when I'm traveling in one of these teardrop trailers because it's so comfortable and warm. There's electricity, there's heating, there's a sound system. I have a Bose sound system, an all-inclusive kitchen with everything that I need. And it's really fascinating to watch people's reaction to the teardrop trailer because I think everyone really wants the idea of comfort, like simple comfort like this. I think the appeal of such simple adventure. You don't have to think about anything, nothing's overcomplicated. The one word I would probably use to describe myself is freedom. I do everything around the idea of freedom because I don't like being stuck anywhere and I want to see what the unknown has on offer. But at the same time, I love luxury because I'm 28 and I don't want to be setting up tents. I don't want to be cold, but I hate hotels because they're so restrictive. You got to carry your luggage back and forth. You got to check in. They're expensive. If you want to change your mind last last minute about where you want to go, you can't. 2 reasons why I don't like spending too much fuel when I'm out there exploring is I don't want to really leave a big carbon footprint. You know, I'm exploring the world because I'm so fascinated by it. I don't want to just spend all this fuel and feel like I'm killing the world at the same time. And also money. I don't want to spend all this money when I'm going adventuring because that spoils the experience. Mink doesn't take that much fuel. It almost feels like there's nothing extra that we're spending on the fuel. Who would I recommend the Mink to? Anyone that loves adventuring but in a simple style. The Mink gives you the necessities, food and shelter, and then you have to find the rest outside of yourself. So like the outdoors is the extension of your living space, which I really love. Just to have a home on the road, no limits as to where you want to go, no time restraints. Large circular windows, slippers, pillows, doona ×2, music, USB port, sunroof, northern lights, stargazing, bunk bed for a child or your luggage, towel, shoe bucket, blinds, heating system, comfortable queen size mattress, mood lighting on point. Welcome to the kitchen. Gas, Bose sound system, salt and pepper, gas burner, chopping board turns into cooler with a drain hole, nice, water container, cleaning goods, tea party goods, plates and stuff, coffee maker, light, aerodynamic shape, solar panels, ventilation, Wi-Fi, GPS tracking. I think I'm done though.
Yeah, I'm done here.
Sweet, perfect timing. My boyfriend just finished the dishes. We can finish up this video. I hope you enjoyed. And yes, I would recommend the Mink Traveler to anyone that wants adventure and fun and not be restrained by hotels or camping and wants a bit of luxury in their lives.